How to fix delayed messages or notifications on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your chat apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram notify you late, you can follow these steps to fix the issue. Let's just get started. First thing first, you need to go ahead and disable battery optimization for your chat apps. Go to Settings, tap on the App section down below. From Apps, go over to your chat app. So let me just quickly find WhatsApp over here. Then go to Battery, and then tap on Unrestricted. Go back, go to Notification, make sure it's allowed, and you can also go to Notification Categories to further customize it. Let's say if I go over to Message Notifications, I can easily allow the vibration or app screen, app icons. Then go back here and you can check your notification permission for other apps. Make sure that you haven't accidentally turned off the notification permission. And then from there, the next step you can do is turn on the repeat alert notifications. You can do that by going over to notification settings, go to advanced settings, and then here you can find repeat notification alerts. Make sure you turn it on. Select the apps to repeat alerts. So let's just do WhatsApp. I'll just tap on it. You can also do Telegram if you want, and other messaging apps. Then you can repeat intervals, select it. If you don't respond to them, they're gonna reappear on your notification section. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.